You'll be learning list adjective demonstrative adjectives. So let's get started. The demonstrative adjectives are used to modify nouns in order to point at specific people or specific things. There are four types of demonstrative adjectives. First is sir, which is masculine singular. Second is set, which is masculine singular, devant une voile. Masculine singular in front of a vowel. Set is feminine singular. Then says is masculine or feminine plural. So let's see the examples. First example is of sir, which is masculine singular demonstrative adjective. Ce monsieur ne parle pas beaucoup. This teacher don't talk a lot. Second is cet homme vient du Canada. This man comes from Canada. So here homme, man, is masculine. So we should put, instead of set, we should have put sir. Sir homme. But we cannot put sir with homme because E is a vowel and silent H is a vowel, so two vowels cannot come together. So we write set. C-E-T, set. Let's see the next one. Cette horloge ne marche pas. This clock don't work. So here horloge is feminine, so we have put the demonstrative adjective which is feminine singular. Cette horloge ne marche pas. Let's see the fourth example. Ces femmes sont très belles. These ladies are very beautiful. Here femme are feminine plural. So we'll put the demonstrative adjective says. Here says is used for both masculine and feminine plural. Whether it is masculine or feminine, it does not matter, but it should be plural. Okay, so here we have put says femme sont très belles. So these were the examples. Let's recapitulate once what are the demonstrative adjectives. So demonstrative adjectives are used to modify the nouns, okay, in order to point at specific thing or specific person. Sir is a masculine singular demonstrative adjective. Set is masculine singular, devant une voile, and set is feminine singular, and says is used for masculine or feminine plural. Let's see a question. Complétez avec les adjectives demonstrative. Complete with the demonstrative adjectives. So let's start. First is il faut jeter dash fleur. It is necessary to throw dash flowers. So you will write says because it is plural. It doesn't matter if it is masculine or feminine, it should be plural. Okay, so we have put says here. Il faut jeter says fleur. Second part, je prends dash route. I take dash route. I take this route. है ना? So we will put set. Route is a feminine noun. Okay, so you will put set. C-E-T-T. Set is used for feminine singular noun. So you say je prends cette route. Then third says il fait quelque chose dash soir. He does something dash evening. He does something this evening. For this you will use sir. Soir is masculine. Okay, we say sir soir. Sir is used for masculine singular noun. Je dois finir dash article pour demain. I should do dash article for tomorrow. So here it would be set. Because article is masculine, masculine noun है. So for masculine noun we use sir. Sir article. But we cannot write sir with article because they both are vowels. ठीक है? So these both are vowels. So we have to use cet, set. Set is used for masculine singular noun in front of a vowel. So it would be je dois finir cet article pour demain. We have completed this practice exercise also. Here we have completed les adjectives demonstrative adjective in French. So if you like this session, then don't forget to hit the like button and share it to your friends and family. Please do subscribe to the channel The Learning Hub. Thanks for watching. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Bye bye everybody.